Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I show you how to create ISO file from any OS file. Let's see how to do it. This is my Windows files folder. You can see these files. I use these files for create ISO file. I use ImgBurn for this. You can open this file and click create image file from files. This is my folder. I select my files and drag to this tool. And we can click we can choose what is the location to save and type the file name. And select save as type, select ISO and click save button. We can click this button and click yes and click OK. It will take few minutes. Okay, it is completed. It is completed. You can see this ISO file. This is my ISO file, Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for getting more videos.